there's a saying in the crypto world, not your keys, not your coins. And that's going to be the topic of today's video of why it is convenient to keep your crypto in exchanges such as Coinbase. However, we would all recommend not to. If you need to, maybe just for a couple hours or a day or two, but for the long term, it's safest somewhere else in your own possession with your own keys. And I'll walk you through a couple examples of why that is so. We'll start off by one of the most popular ones, which happened very at the beginning of the crypto space, which was Mt. Gox. And if you haven't heard about it, in summary, it's a Tokyo-based cryptocurrency exchange that operated between 2010 and 2014. At the time, it was responsible for more than 70% of Bitcoin transactions. And that today is exactly like Coinbase. So this was, the big exchange of the time. They declared bankruptcy in 2014, and to this day, they're still subject to lawsuits and speculation. So some of the key takeaways, I won't go too much further, that Mt. Gox accounted for 70% of all Bitcoin transactions. In 2014, it was hacked and declared bankruptcy. So there's still ongoing lawsuits, and they're still trying to track who's responsible for the hack, but still they haven't done it. A couple other examples here. Outsbit is another one. This one happened more recently, in 2020 actually, and so the cryptocurrency exchange Outsbit had claimed that a hack has led to the theft of a huge number of customer deposits, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. So they pulled a little bit more than that, but as we can see right here, the number of Bitcoin that was taken was 6,929, and Ethereum that was taken is 23,210. And guys, these are, cryptocurrencies that are taken from the exchange, and when they're taken from the exchange, there's nothing that they can do, or they can, but they're not going to give this coin or your money back to you. Let's see, another example here, hackers steal $25 million worth of cryptocurrency from LendFme platform. So that's another example. And then over here, I can link this one in the description below, but 2020's worst cryptocurrency breaches, thefts, and exit scams. And if you check it out, every single month there is some sort of attack or hack or theft of crypto from these exchanges. And every month it's like tens of millions of dollars that's taken off of exchanges. And it kind of highlights the importance of having your keys for your crypto. And I'll explain that here in a second, and more so in another video as well. But as you can see, March, here's what happened. April, 25 million. May, supercomputers were hacked to mine cryptocurrencies. June, $90 million. Let's see, July, we can just look through this. $1.9 million, $280,000. And it happened every single month of the year. And lastly, one way around that is wallets. So there's two different kinds of wallets. There's your hardware wallets and then your software wallets. The most popular hardware wallets are either the Ledger brand wallets or your Trezor brand wallets. And both of these have pros and cons, which I can compare in a future video, but they ultimately are very similar, and they both are compatible for thousands of different cryptocurrencies. So more than just your Bitcoin and Ethereum, they also have most of those altcoins that you can find on those exotic websites. So this is the most secure way because they're not linked to the internet. You plug it in to make transactions, and then you can transfer your crypto to these hardware wallets and then disconnect it from your computer, and it's what they say is air gapped. So there's no way that a hacker can hack into essentially a USB stick that is sitting in your nightstand or in a safe in your house. So that is the safe method to store your crypto. And then the second method is software wallets. A couple popular ones. Exodus is one of the best ones for crypto wallets, and then Wasabi is another one. But I'll stay here with Exodus. Just like the hardware wallets, the software wallets are also very popular, very secure, because you have the keys and the passcodes to get into your website that holds, or your wallet that holds all of your crypto. And unless a hacker somehow gains the information or your passwords in order to get into your software wallet, it'll be very difficult for them. You know, the one downside, even though it would still take a hacker a very, very, very long time to hack into a software wallet, because it is continuously online, there potentially could be a 24/7, hacker trying to, work its way and pry its way into your wallet. Whereas the hardware wallets, because it's air-gapped away from your computer, there's no way that, hackers can 24/7 try and crack the code to get into your wallet. So that is the quick video today. Not your keys, not your crypto. So if you do keep your crypto on an exchange, I would recommend it just for small periods of time, maybe a couple days to make transactions. And then when you're done with that, take those cryptos off of your exchanges and send them over to your either hardware or software wallets. If you have any questions, let me know. See you next time.